Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So still your boy Little Cryptos and Tech. So in this video I'm going to show you how to sell your web3 coin or how to swap your web3 coin using your trust wallet. So don't go nowhere. In this video I will explain all the details you need, every single things you need to do for you to get your web3 coin swap or traded exchange to BNB your trust wallet. So stick around, don't go nowhere. So here is the coin, here is the web3 coin. So like the price just pop up a few days ago, and I would like to show you guys and everything. I would like to explain everything to you guys. So this is it, this is the web3 coin. What 7,005 $7,005, $7,522. So follow this step and just follow the step, all the procedures I'm going to show you right now. Just follow every step, every little things I'm going to show you, just follow them up and you get the token swap. And don't forget, there's one particular thing I need to explain to you guys in this video. There's one secret I need to expose with all this airdrop. They keep releasing these days. So you know what, just stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned, don't go nowhere. But wait, I need you to subscribe to this channel right now. I'm still waiting for you. Yes, you get me to 500 subscribers, and I'm planning on something big. I will drop. Okay, let's do it this way, guys. I'm planning on doing a giveaway for everyone who subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will drop the link down below where you fill your name. You drop the screenshot of how when you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You drop the screenshot with your BSC address. I'm doing a $100 giveaway to the first 10 people. To the first 10 people, and if you refer 10, like 5 people, your reward will be different. Your reward will be different. So let's continue, guys. So this is it. You can see it's showing value right now. The 24 hours trading volume is around something sha. Okay, so let's go. Let's check the total supply and the holding. Who are those people holding the token, their wallet? You first of all go to your BSC scan. That's where you can copy the smart contract of the token. You scan, or if you don't want to do it that way, you can first of all type the name of the token if you don't have the contract yet. So you can just type the token web3 coin, web3 coin, web3 coin. As you can see, when we try to search right now, it's not bringing any name. It's not bringing any name to us. So what we're going to do right now is just to copy the smart contract address, paste it paste the smart contract right there. Then you click on search. You click on search. You click on search. You can see right now the token tracker, web3 coin, web3 coin. Click on it. See the total supply, see the holding, see the orders of the token, see the order of his token. Transfer, you can see everything right here. You can see everything, nothing is hiding, nothing is hidden right here. You can see everything in their smart contract. With the orders, total supply, transfer, the amount of transfer they have done on this on that particular smart contract. So you copy the smart contract, you take it to your Binance account, to your Pancake. That's where you go to swap the token. That's where you go to swap the token to BNB. That's where you go to swap the token to BNB. So from here, you paste the, like, you can click on max if you want to set the max token. That's the total max worth 15 BNB. That's a lot of money. So as I was saying, like I showed you the other time, the total money worth around $7,500. Yeah. So this is how you're going to do it. This is how you're going to do it. You can reduce it if you want to set the little. Like if you want to sell little by little, so that you can make it easy, if you want to sell everything, you can sell little by little for the transaction to be successful. And see, the 5,000 worth web3 token worth 0.17 BNB. Then you click on swap. You click on swap, waiting for confirmation. Swapping 5,000 web3 coins for 0.17 BNB. So you wait for the swapping. Wait, guys. Yes, still again, you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'm still waiting for you. Get me to 500 subscribers. Thanks. Don't forget to like and subscribe to these channels. Comments down below. If you have any issue, comment, and I'm ready to solve everything for you guys. And I will drop the latest where you can get the legit airdrop. I will drop everything down below in the description down below for you guys. Okay, let's continue. The input token cannot be transferred. There may be an issue with the input token. So this is what I want to show you guys. Most of these token that they sent you first, you can't swap them. There's a particular date that they fix. There's a particular date that have been fixed for the particular contract for this token.